Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use the template section which are already created from PageFly Page Builder app into your online store directly. So I'll be explaining step by step in this video. So watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using PageFly Page Builder app. I had downloaded this from Shopify App Store. So go to the Shopify App Store and search for the app, and this is easily available in the search results. And you can see the installation page like this. So this may contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And also they show some pricing plans here. So I recommend you to start with the free plans. So if this fits and if this works for you, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And you can see some genuine reviews from different merchants also here. So just go through this. And if everything fits on, if everything is okay, you can hit on install button. Make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel before that. So once logged in, after installation, you can see the app reflecting here in this left hand side of your admin panel. So just click on PageFly app to expand its dashboard. Now you can see the section area here. Just hit on sections. If you want to create a section by your own from a blank, you can just click on create blank section. Now I'm using the default template which are available from the page builder app. So I'm just clicking on create from template. Now it will open up the editor page where we can see the number of templates available with different sections. We can just scroll it down and you can use any template over here to your home page or a product page or a collection page anywhere in your online store. So I'm just planning to give the customer review element or the section. You can just click on preview so that you can see the sections in a detailed screen, and you can just uh, make sure that whether this will be a benefit one for our store. So I'm just if you want to select this, you can just click on select. I'm not adding this to the store. I'm going back and I'm just exploring more. Yeah, this will find fit for me. So I'm clicking on preview and I'm looking into this in a detailed screen. Now I'm just clicking on select button. Now you can just customize each element like this. On clicking each element, you can have the editor options on the left hand side. So I will show you one example. Let's say like why customer trusts us. So you can change the content or a content style, font size, backgrounds, everything you can change over here. And if you want to change this image, you can just click on image and you can change this image from here. Either you can remove it also. So on selecting image, you can see the element has been changed. And yeah, let me do one second. Library, done. Now I'm adding same again. You can use your own store contents to fill the data. I'm just showing you how the way you can just customize and use this section. And yeah, if you want to make this as bold, you can just go to here and you can just make this font size bigger, and you can change this font style. Everything you can customize over here. So if you want to be published this section as this way, you can just click on save and you can just give a meaningful title or section title over here, and you can save this. I have given a trust ID as like this. Now you can just click on publish the trust ID. Now it will be publishing. Now we have to add this section to our online store. So once published, you can just go to your theme editor, online theme editor page, and you can add the section wherever you want. So I'm planning to add the section in the footer part. So click on add section and you can see the PageFly section over here. So just clicking on this, it will be added. You can see the select section option. So I'm selecting the trust ID. So you can see the trust ID section which we have used is reflecting here in this home page, and go for saving it. Now the changes has been saved. Now come back to our online store. Now let's see. Yeah, so you can see the section is showing up here. So that's how you can use template sections in your online store, which are default created from the PageFly app. Now, if you want to unpublish the already published one, you can just click on the selected section ID and you can just click on unpublish. Now, this will be removed temporarily from your online store. So that's how you can use this. So if this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.